Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's me, gp18. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are unboxing the Nerf Fortnite 6 SH. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is the Fortnite 6 SH, and let's now unbox it. I don't have a knife, by the way, so... Also, by the way, I heard that the long barrel that comes with this isn't removable. So, that was honestly a bad design. I honestly feel like that was a bad design choice on Hasbro's part. A long, unremovable barrel. I mean, this by itself seems pretty great, honestly. I mean, let me ask you guys, would you rather have this or like with this? I don't know if there was hair in between that or something. A long, unremovable barrel. Look down that hole. Anyways, one thing that does, it does kind of bother me that the little barrel that actually, look how long it is. Sorry if you hear my mother talking in the background, by the way. The barrel that comes with this is so like long that, but like it would be cool if you could just have it by itself. Let me know in the comments below if they should have made the barrel unremovable, which I already know the answer to. Comes with 6 special darts that look the same as the little color on the blaster. Now basically this is just a 6-round hammer shot. Yeah, it basically functions like a hammer shot too. Anyways, that was the unboxing part. Of this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and give a like for the Nerf Fortnite 6 SH.